This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off notifications on Google Chrome. I'm going to jump over to Google Chrome here. Make sure you're signed in on your account. First thing you'll do is click on the little three-dot hamburger menu off to the far right. Click on that. Go down to Settings. Click on Settings. Then we will scroll down to where it says Privacy and Security. And then we will select Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Then we will scroll down to where it says Notifications. Right here, Notifications. Go ahead and click the drop down arrow. And this down here will give you a list of websites that you have allowed or disallowed to send you notifications. To change that, you can go in and manually change each one by clicking on the little three dots here. You could remove. If you want to turn them all off, all you do is simply click on Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. Click on that, and there you have it. That's all you got to do. Thanks for watching.